In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update content in Confluence, a platform that many teams use for collaboration and documentation. Whether you're a seasoned expert or a newcomer, knowing how to efficiently update your pages can really help in keeping everyone on the same page, quite literally. So let's dive into it. First, you'll start from your Confluence homepage. This is your main starting point, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new here. The homepage is essentially your dashboard for everything Confluence related, and it's where all your spaces and recent activity are neatly organized. From this point, you'll need to choose the specific space where your page resides. Spaces can be thought of as separate work areas or projects. They're created to help keep things organized, especially if you're working within a large team or on multiple projects simultaneously. Once you've identified and clicked on your chosen space, you'll need to locate the exact page within that space that you wish to update. Think of this as pulling the file you want to edit out of a digital filing cabinet. Pages in Confluence are core elements containing the information your team collaborates on, so finding the right page is crucial. With the page open in front of you, look for the Edit button. Clicking on Edit will open the page in editing mode, allowing you to make changes as needed. This is where you can add new content, modify existing text, add links, insert images, and basically refine the page to better fit the message or information you want to convey. This editing environment is quite flexible, so explore the formatting options available to make your content both informative and visually appealing. After you've made your changes, might be small tweaks or perhaps significant overhauls, it's important to review your edits just to ensure everything looks as it should. Once you're satisfied with your changes and everything appears in order, it's time to finalize those edits by clicking on the Update button. This step is crucial as it publishes your changes to ensure that everyone viewing the page sees the most current and updated information. And that, my friends, is how you update a page in Confluence. Remember, updated content means accurate information is accessible to everyone who needs it, ensuring smooth collaboration and communication across your team or organization. Updating may seem like a minor task, but it can have a big impact on workflow efficiency and project success. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating.